I need this compost soil to plant the potatoes.
Wow, that's so pretty, this potatoes leaves. This potato bought at the store, take a look. You can get a lot of potato free after you have, just for example, you have this six potato. You can get a lot of potato by letting the root started. So the root will start here. You'll see it like that. Take a look. See, this is the roots now, and some other potato has two roots growing like that. This now, and some are three. It's very big roots now. You can plant them now to the garden. Make sure you have a good soil to plant them, and the soil need to be loose. Yeah, see,
I need this compost soil to plant the potatoes. I need to loosen the soil before I plant the potatoes, and also I need this compost soil to mix it up before I plant the potatoes. Make sure they have a good nutrients from the good compost soil. I'm mixing it very well, the compost soil to the soil, so that it helps them to grow very well, the potatoes, if you have a good nutrients. Since it's mixed very well now, it's time for me to plant the potatoes in the ground and make sure they're not beside each other.
hello guys, I'd like to share with you the updates of the potatoes that I planted earlier, and today is May 5th, and we have no more cold weather here up north, and the freezing weather is over now. So it's excited to plant a lot of in the garden. So anyway guys, I'm here to show you how the progress of the potatoes that I planted earlier. So okay, we'll get started. Oh, take a look guys, see how much leaves growing on the potatoes. It's interesting, this is only one potatoes. This is a one potatoes that I planted earlier, and take a look. The reason the leaves is a lot growing on this one, because when I plant them in the ground, I already have roots growing, a lot of roots growing really ahead. And I'm gonna show it to you the difference, the one that is not much leaves growing. See, all of these potatoes I planted them at the same day. So it's interesting, this one just a little bit of leaves growing. The reason, because when I plant them, just a very little roots growing too here. So that's why it's not much leaf growing yet, but it's still, they look healthy. Take a look, they are healthy. Another one I want to show you guys, this one, if you notice, there's three big leaves growing and another one here growing. The reason is I hid this one than the other one, because when I plant them, the roots are a little more ahead than this one. And it's been rainy. This is May now, May 5th. So we've been having a lot of rain every day. So it's helping the rain to grow these potatoes leaves. And this another one, this is the fourth one. Take a look. Wow, that's so pretty, this potatoes leaves. That one is only one potatoes too that I planted. Take a look how much leaves growing. Take a look this fourth one. See how much leaf and how pretty the stem is. See, it's doing great. This is one potato that I planted. This is the fifth one. Do you notice guys? That's so tiny, these little leaves of potatoes. See, not much growing yet, but it's still look healthy. See, so this is, so 1 2 3 4 growing in one potato. This potato is kind of not as big, it's just medium. The other one is really a large one, that's why it's a big one here, all the way from here to there. So that's why it's a lot of leaves. This one is just a medium, so you barely see the leaves here in the video. See, but they look healthy. It's been helping these big rainy days we've been having here. And the last one I'm going to show it to you guys. Take a look, guys. This last one, it is the six potatoes that I planted. Take a look. It's so little leaves growing, and there's another one here. Is look like a stem popping up. See the stem. So they look healthy too. But it's interesting. Even I plant them all this potato at the same time. They have different time growth. See that one and this one. So I'll share with you guys in the future video how much potato I'll harvest on these 6 potatoes that I planted. Okay guys, thanks for watching.